KDP. I'm the founder of San Antonio, Texas Pet Pigs, and more recently the founder of Porcine Pet Shop, an online e-commerce store where we sell mostly on Amazon pet pig products. So I have been working with SellerMetrics, I think, for 2 months now. And since working with them, we have actually quadrupled our Amazon sales. So I'm working directly with Rick Wong. He's surprised me in that he's actually answered every single one of my emails. He's answered every single message that I've sent him, and he's been very kind to answer any questions and all the questions that I have regarding what I need to be doing to optimize my listing, or just anything. SellerMetrics is actually the first PPC campaign management that I've used, so I don't really have anything to compare it to. But I think it's good. I think the price is reasonable, especially for the return that we're getting. So I have no issues just hanging on to them and looking for competitive work. I think that they've done a great job so far.